Hello, Portland renters. Today we are at 16000 Southwest Audubon Street, Unit 102 in Beaverton 97006. It is a 1,046 square foot townhome. It will be available mid-July. 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and it is $1549. Just to show you the street that we're on, very quiet. It's right next to Tualatin Hills Park. So lots of outdoor activity for you to enjoy. So we're gonna come inside. It's the second unit right here. It is a tandem 2-car garage. Current tenant is still moving some items. This door is for the water heater. Or rather, the filter is the water heater. And then it does go to the backyard. It is not a fenced backyard patio, but it is, with all the greenery, it is fairly quiet and secluded. So we'll go upstairs. Nice big closet at the top of the stairs. You have a large dining room area into the living room area. Gas fireplace. And then you do have this deck on the second floor. Looks out the same direction as the patio downstairs. Half bath. Washer dryer. Going to the first of the 2 rooms. This faces out towards same direction as the deck and the patio. Large linen closet. And the master bathroom. Master bedroom closets, quite huge. Deep closets in both rooms. And this faces out the side of the garage door. So again, this is 16000 Southwest Audubon Street. Unit 102, Beaverton, 97006. It is 10,046 square feet. Available mid-July. $15.49 is the rent. That is also the security deposit. Application fee is $54. Everyone above the age of 18 needs to apply. Just go to rentportlandhomes.com to find this home and any other home that you might be interested in. Have a great day.